What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure.
Like, oh, we'll just be
the scary one. 3, 2.
Anticlimactic.
1.5.
1 3/4.
We didn't get a good one because they didn't keep going. That last one we had a good one because they kept rolling us. Yeah, that was a one and done. Refund. Hey, you guys ready? Here we go. We're gonna do it again. Phil, don't fall on us.
It got very cold.
You almost fell off. I almost did to you too. That's why I said that. I was like, oh shit.
Why are we not moving?
It's too windy. We're stuck up.
Look at, there's cars landing Matterhorn now.
It is getting windy. Look at the trees over there. You see the palm trees.
Where's Matterhorn? I can't see Matterhorn.
There's cars land over there. Matterhorn is right there. You don't see it? It's the mountain right there.
Is that the hotel?
See it? Right there. Next to Space Mountain.
Oh yeah, that's Matterhorn.
Yeah, it's downtown Disney. See Space Mountain? Look at, there's cars land. You can see the top of it.
Yeah, for some reason it's
No,
like
that's
super crowded
Matterhorn.
today. I thought, no, like everything. Even
Getting your
for
old
these
faces.
other parts.
It's raining.
Is it raining? Is that what that noise is?
All right, here comes the big swing, you guys. There's cars land right there. See it? Woo! Go fast! You too scared?
Because it comes with a...
Whoa!
That's insane. I don't know how they don't
Built you in. Like, what if you went really high?
Phil, don't land on us. You'll kill us.
I was dead. I wasn't expecting that.
There's a lot of weight in here. Right? All of a sudden it was.
A lot of money going that way.
Inside the gondola and keep an eye on those.
Oh no, we're going too fast. I think we're going back up.
Yeah, we can't stop that one.
He's like, John, slow it down on the next one. Throw the emergency brake on.
We have to do that again?
Yeah. We're about to do that roller coaster next time.
It's getting worse as we get higher. It's like, this is so high.
We're swinging.
Whoa.
That's it.
You weren't ready
For the next 10 minutes. We got Phil here laughing. He's scared. Breeze.
We're gonna pee now. No, I'm just kidding.
That's gonna be Nick's and I.
Yeah, heads up, look down below. I've seen your pee since you're here.
Oh, this is making me like car sick.
That's why they put bar packs.